Take any messy list. Pick one element. Now, watch chaos turn into order, not by force, but by a single, elegant idea. Imagine you have 1,000 index cards, each with a word, all shuffled. How would you sort them by hand? You wouldn't compare every pair, that's far too slow. Instead, you pick one card, say the word mango. You put everything alphabetically before mango on the left, everything after on the right. Then, you do the exact same thing on each pile. That, in essence, is quicksort. Quicksort works on one principle: divide and conquer. Choose any element, we call it the pivot. Then rearrange the array so that everything smaller sits to the left of the pivot and everything larger sits to the right. After this single pass called partitioning, the pivot is in its final correct position forever. We then recursively apply the same process to the left and right halves. Eventually, every element becomes a pivot of its own sub-array, and the entire list is sorted. The simplest way to partition is called Lomuto scheme. We pick the last element as the pivot. We use two pointers, I, which tracks the boundary of smaller elements, and J, which scans across the array. Whenever J finds an element smaller than the pivot, we expand the small zone by 1 and swap that element into it. At the end, we place the pivot right after the small zone. It's clean, easy to code, but it does extra swaps, and it slows down on already sorted input. Hoare's partition, the original, designed by Tony Hoare himself in 1959, is more efficient. Two pointers start at opposite ends and walk toward each other. The left pointer pauses on anything greater than or equal to the pivot. The right pointer pauses on anything less than or equal. When both stop, we swap them. When they cross, we're done. Hoare does 3 times fewer swaps on average than Lomuto and handles duplicates gracefully. The catch? It doesn't guarantee the pivot ends up in its final position, only that the two halves are correctly separated. But what if your array has tons of duplicates? Both Lomuto and Hoare waste effort sorting equal elements. The fix, 3-way partitioning, also known as the Dutch national flag algorithm designed by Edsger Dijkstra. We split the array into 3 regions: less than pivot, equal to pivot, and greater than pivot. All elements equal to the pivot land in the middle in one shot, and we recurse only on the outer 2. For data with many repeated keys, this turns a slow quadratic worst case into linear time. Here's where quicksort gets fascinating. In the average case, each partition splits the array roughly in half, giving a recursion depth of log n. With n work per level, the total cost is O of n log n, the gold standard for comparison sorts. But there's a dark side. If you always pick the smallest or largest element as the pivot, for instance, the first element of an already sorted array, every partition shrinks the problem by just 1. You get n levels of recursion, each doing n work. That's O of n squared. Disaster. The cure? Randomization. By picking the pivot at random or using the median of 3 trick, the median of the first, middle, and last elements, the probability of hitting the worst case becomes vanishingly small. This is why randomized quicksort is, in practice, one of the fastest sorting algorithms ever invented. Here it is, the entire algorithm in just a few lines. A function that calls itself, a partition that does the work, and a base case that stops the recursion. Simple to write, surprisingly hard to write perfectly. Edge cases around equal keys, stack overflow on deep recursion, and pivot selection have generated decades of research papers. Modern languages don't use textbook quicksort. C++'s standard sort uses intro sort, quicksort that switches to heap sort when recursion gets too deep, guaranteeing O of n log n. Java's arrays.sort uses a dual pivot quicksort, partitioning into 3 regions using 2 pivots, faster on real-world data. There's also tail recursion optimization to bound stack space, and parallel variants that recurse on separate threads. Quicksort isn't one algorithm, it's a family. Compared to merge sort, which we covered last time, quicksort uses less memory. It sorts in place, needing only logarithmic stack space instead of a full auxiliary array. It's typically faster in practice due to better cache locality, but merge sort guarantees O of n log n every time and is stable, while quicksort's worst case is quadratic and it's not stable by default. Choose quicksort for speed and memory. Choose merge sort for guarantees and stability. Quicksort is more than an algorithm. Divide, conquer, recurse. Let order emerge from a single, well-chosen pivot. Thank you for watching.